Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, December 10th, 2024. Well, we have a stationary front literally circling our region almost. It looks like a bowl here. And that bowl is maritime air coming in from the Gulf of Maine right into the region, supporting weak northeasterly winds around 5 miles per hour. So you got weak winds transporting Atlantic moisture, and at the mid levels, you have winds coming in from the southwest, transporting moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. And the combination of these two leads to a lot of low clouds and some fog. In some locations, visibility is below a mile, so we got some locally dense fog in place. And it's just going to be a very cloudy day. Temperatures range from the lower to mid 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s in your suburbs, and also in your urban areas as the maritime air mass is in place and locked in. Your warmest locations all the way down here in Wildwood, New Jersey at 50 degrees. Now, for today, not a lot of rain, a few pesky showers here and there, but overall just cloudy. We're kind of in the stage of developing our next storm. So you can see on the radar here is our stationary front. Here's our maritime air coming in. Not a lot in terms of rainfall, but you can see some pesky showers starting to develop. This cold front is slowly pressing in, and this wave of low pressure will be interacting with this low pressure, with this cold front, and lifting northward. So, not seeing a lot of lifting just yet. Some areas of bluer clouds, and that supports some cooling on the cloud tops, but not a lot off to the west yet. So, what's going to change all that? Well, over the next 24 hours, this trough is going to go from what we call positive tilt, where the trough is aligned like this, to a negative tilt, where the trough is aligned like this. And when that happens, you're going to increase lifting and set up this wall of rainfall that's going to be marching through the region starting late tonight, continuing on through tomorrow, and ending when tomorrow night with some very strong winds and very heavy rainfall. So let's dive through this forecast for today. Cloudy skies, a few scattered showers, kind of raw out there. High temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. For tonight into tomorrow, showers begin to increase in coverage, becoming heavier towards the morning hours. Look for low temperatures, not moving all that much, upper 40s to lower 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. So basically, temperatures stay in place from the afternoon highs. As this cold front slowly is approaching, very heavy rainfall will develop throughout the region as our low pressure system begins to organize. There is our cold air coming in on the back end of this storm. Temperatures will spike out ahead of this cold front, ranging from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. And if we get a little bit of a break, I wouldn't be surprised if we push up to 63 or 64 degrees ahead of this low pressure and this cold front. Within this heavy rainfall, you're going to have some winds mixed down, supporting wind gusts over 30 miles per hour, possibly reaching as high as 50 miles per hour. And there may even be a few embedded thunderstorms, although I think there's a better chance for that from the Delmarva Peninsula on southward. I can't rule it out. So, a very stormy day tomorrow. By tomorrow night, the low pressure system lifts up into New England. And while that's happening, our cold front with the polar air mass behind it, a very strong one, will be approaching. Very heavy rainfall over the region, looking at about 1 to 2 inches in the Philadelphia metro, 2 to 3 inches in the New York City metro. Meanwhile, the cold air is surging in, changing the rain over to snow in the Poconos and Catskills. So we start off very warm. How strong is this cold front? How about a 30-degree drop? Because by the time we get to Thursday morning, temperatures are free falling from the 50s and 60s down into the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast, and lower to mid 30s in the urban areas. So while this process is occurring, look for some snow to develop in the Poconos and Catskills, producing maybe about 1 to 2 inches, most likely in the elevations above 1,500 feet. dusting everywhere else in terms of the interior for snowfall. A lot of that snowfall is going to be on cold surfaces, so not looking at a big deal. The main threat here is going to be the strong winds with this heavy rain coming to an end, veering to the west at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And through the morning and the afternoon hours, you're going to have wind gusts ranging anywhere from 30 to 50 miles per hour. So you might want to secure your decorations before Old St. Nick flies down the road once again. High temperatures on Thursday will range from the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, lower to mid 30s in the Delaware River Valley, and mid to upper 30s along the coast. On Friday and Saturday, high pressure will be in control with generally scattered cloud cover. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper teens over the northern interior, lower to mid 20s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior and lower to mid 30s in the New York City metro, mid to upper 30s in the Philadelphia metro for highs. On Sunday, high pressure pushes off the coast. Look for increasing cloud cover, winds coming in from the southeast, so look for warmer conditions with low temperatures in the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast, high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. A cold front and area low pressure develops over the region with periods of showers on Monday. Not looking at anything heavy just yet, just a lot of pesky showers around the region, with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, lower to mid 40s along the coast, high temperatures in the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, lower to mid 50s in along the coast, and mid to upper 50s in the Delaware River Valley. And on Tuesday, a stationary front combined with an area low pressure to our south is going to support periods of rain, possibly heavy at times, so I have to keep an eye on that, with low temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 40s over the northern interior, mid to upper 40s in your suburbs, upper 40s to lower 50s in your urban areas, and high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.